Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. I hope everybody's having a great week. Today's video is not going to be like my normal videos, so if that's what you're expecting today, to come to a repair tip trick, I'm sorry. That will be back with regular scheduled programming on Sunday, but today I'm stressed and I'm pissed. And I know that you might not come around to hear a woman rant, and today is Chickanic Unhinged. So guys, we live in a world of fraud, scams, thieves. As all of you know, if you watch YouTube, everybody is getting replies on their comments from these fake accounts that steal mine and other channels' profile picture, creating fake accounts. And most of you now have seen this, and hopefully you're aware of it. They try to get you to go to Telegram or WhatsApp or some other kind of site where they can, make you pay for shipping for their free gift they're sending you. And I get emails every time that I put a video out because they attack y'all. And somebody's saying, have we been speaking through Telegram? And I'm like, no, that's a scammer. And it's every single time. Some people actually do get scammed. So it was pretty concentrated to just that for a long time, and I had been trying to combat it with every time I put a video out, I stick by my computer and I stare at the comment section all day long. And every hour or two, the scammers would pop back up, I'd report them, I would delete all their comments, and YouTube would get rid of them, and it wasn't that big of a deal. I mean, it still is a big deal because it takes up hours of my day, but I was raised by my grandparents, by elderly grandparents, and I have a lot of viewers that are elderly, and it really affects me to know that any of them were scammed, thinking that they were giving me money, thinking that the person is using my face to scam these people who are excited, thinking that they're speaking with me. And then to find out that they not only aren't speaking to me, but they just lost that $40 or whatever. My grandparents were disabled. They were raising many children. They lived on government, subsidies. It irks me, okay? And so I know that many of you out there that watch my videos are in the same boat. You do not have an extra $40 or $100 or whatever to give to some scammer. And I try diligently to combat this, okay? Because I don't want y'all to get scammed. I mean, it's not affecting me at all. I'm not losing any money from this. I do this only because I am here to do three things, all right? I am so frugal in my own life that I created this channel to do the things for you that I do for myself, to save you time, money, and frustration. And all of these scammers, all they're doing is taking your time, your money, and causing you frustration. And that is doing the exact opposite of what I'm trying to do. So it's freaking me out a little bit, okay? So I'm working with that, but then new things arise. I get on Facebook and I'm constantly, I'm Googling Chickanic. I'm making sure that there's nobody out there, trying to scam others. Sometimes I will see my videos on teaching sites. That's awesome. I love that. But sometimes there's some nefarious people out there doing some bad things. So I try to combat it as much as possible. I find on Facebook, while I'm just scrolling through, I just put Chickanic in and I'm scrolling through, seeing some of my old posts. I'm like, oh, when I made 100,000 subscribers, awesome. I get down to this one, it shows me, it looks like me, a page. It says Bree Chickanic, and it shows that I'm selling used lawnmowers. Has one of my pictures in this post, that I'm selling used lawnmowers on a swap shop. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I go to the page. It's created 6 days ago. It's got 730 something, followers on it, which makes it look legit. And they're trying to sell these used mowers for $400 to $1,200, which anybody that might think that it's my page and they go to the post wanting to buy something that I repaired, a lot of people might pay extra for something like that and get scammed, paying over the internet. So today, you know, I got on Facebook and you guys helped me report them. They're still not gone, but there's been other pages on there that they have direct links on their pages on Facebook. They've already, you know, cloned my profile picture, my cover photo. They've taken all the photos off of my actual Facebook page and posted it to their Facebook page, so it looks exactly like mine. And then what's the link to where you would go to try to find Chickanic? It's their Telegram link where they're trying to steal money from you. It doesn't matter how much you report them, Facebook won't do anything about it. It seems like it's the same way with on TikTok. I have never ever posted a video on TikTok. I did start a channel called The Real Chickanic, just like my Facebook is actually The Real Chickanic, and my Instagram is The Real Chickanic because I don't know what else to say. You know, a lot of times they don't catch it, the real part in there, but, and this is what I put on my TikTok page. Find The Real Chickanic on YouTube. TikTok has stolen all of my videos. And take that for what you want, but I have not posted anything ever to TikTok, and I will never probably post anything to TikTok. I just did that because somebody else who used to be called Dan Becker and Chickanic, and Dan Becker, I guess, is a name they stole from some other YouTuber. They started a channel a while back where they steal my entire videos and post them. They're not just clips. They're stealing my copyrighted videos and putting them on TikTok. Now, it would be one thing if, you know, it was for learning, but they're doing this purely for monetary gain, and it's not cool. It's actually illegal, and even though I have multiple times reported it to TikTok and for copyright infringement, TikTok's done nothing about it. I messaged them and asked them to not use my profile picture at least, because they were responding back to people as if they were me. And I have a huge problem with that, since everybody who's ever acted like me and used my profile picture has been trying to scam people. And this is what they said. Hello, I'm very sorry for taking your video and posting it on TikTok. I just want to be your fan and share videos on TikTok so that everyone can know about the useful repair methods you share. I'm not a bad person who wants to take your picture to trick you, deceive others. So today I text you. Please allow me to use your video as a fan. I pledge not to affect your honor and image. Thank you very much. I sincerely apologize for the previous events. I will wait for your reply. Are they kidding me? They have already stolen my profile picture. They've already stolen my name. They've already stolen all of my copyrighted material that I personally worked very hard on. Do I really believe and trust them that they're just a fan? Absolutely not. They are liars and thieves and scammers who are too lazy to do their own work, so they steal it from others. And it makes it too easy for them to, especially with their tens of thousands of followers and the millions of views they get from my videos, to make one simple video telling everybody on there, go to this website and enter to win this prize, and all you have to do is pay shipping and make thousands and thousands of dollars in one day and be gone. You know, my mom used to work in fraud investigations in California for Chase Bank. And she said it was the most disheartening job that she ever had because no one ever got in trouble. That people from other countries would come to America, steal hundreds of thousands of dollars in the matter of a couple weeks, and bone out. With the internet these days, people don't even have to go anywhere. They're stealing our money from overseas. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me this far. If you're still watching this video, listening to my rant, but hopefully you're as pissed off as I am. I feel like I'm a broken record, like I'm making the same posts every other day. Watch out for scammers, but I'm just getting to the point where I feel a little hopeless here, and I want you to know that even as hopeless as it seems right now, I'm still going to fight to get rid of these scammers. So thanks again for tuning into Chickanic. This video hopefully will save you some time, money, and frustration in the future. If you haven't found me at Facebook, find me at facebook.com/Chickanic. Find me at Instagram at The Real Chickanic. Find me at Chickanic.com where you get your own t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. Thanks guys, and have a great day.